Hey, D.Scott Smith here, and I just want to put in a little plug for the virtual global tea break. It happens the third Friday of every month, and it's co-hosted with Alan Hennessy and myself. It is connecting business owners around the world digitally, and it's a worldwide community of thought leaders and entrepreneurs. This is the virtual global tea break, and we would love to have you be a part of that. Go to globalteabreak.com and register. We connect entrepreneurs, as I said, digitally from around the world. We've had great friendships that have come out of the tea breaks. We have had business collaborations come out of the tea breaks. We would love to have you join us. globalteabreak.com is the website. You'll be able to register and participate and be a part of this community. And thank you for making the world a better place and choosing to live a life that makes a difference.